Hello and welcome back to the English Learning Through Stories episode 6. So let's get started. In the small village of Medwobrook, there was an ancient oak tree at the edge of the forest. It was known for its granite branches and the legends surrounding it. Villagers spoke of hidden treasures and magical secrets concealed within its massive trunk. One sunny afternoon, a curious young girl named Eliza decided to uncover the truth about the tree. Armed with a small shovel and a notebook, she ventured to the oak, determined to solve the mystery. As she approached the tree, Eliza noticed a peculiar carving on its trunk. It was an intricate pattern of swirls and symbols. She carefully traced the carving with her fingers, feeling a strange warmth emanate from it. Using her shovel, Eliza began to dig around the base of the tree. After a few hours of work, she unearthed an old dusty chest. Her heart raced with excitement as she pried it open. Inside, she found not gold or jewels, but a collection of old letters and a beautiful illustrated book. The letters were written by a long lost village elder who had once been a great storyteller. The book contained tales of bravery, friendship, and adventure. Eliza realized that the true treasures of the oak tree was the rich history and stories it had preserved. She took the letters and book back to the village and shared them with the townsfolk. They were delighted and moved by the stories of their ancestors. The oak tree became a symbol of their shared heritage and inspired the villagers to pass on their own stories to future generations. Elijah's discovery reminded everyone that sometimes the greatest treasures are not material possessions but the connections and stories that bind us together. So I hope you enjoyed the story. Let me know if you do like to hear another one. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you soon.